This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying eligibility and assembling essential proof. Do this now. Check your press ID, passport, or national ID and collect 1-3 bylines that match the outlet. Once done, create a dedicated email, enable 2FA and separate browser profile or device for journalistic work. Make sure to export documents as PDFs and label them clearly. This reduces friction during verification. Keep file names short and consistent so the system and reviewers can process them quickly and accurately. Now move into the submission flow. Enter your legal name and outlet exactly as they appear on ID and bylines. Upload PDFs and add concise metadata, date, role, and URL so reviewers can match context. Once uploaded, configure privacy and contact options, then add timestamped samples and a verifiable outlet link. If the system requests references, provide a primary editor contact and a secondary. Maintain clear, consistent info across fields. Mismatches are the most common cause of delays. Finish by monitoring status and promptly answering any reviewer questions. Do not wait. If verification completes, save confirmation and adjust profile settings for attribution and privacy. If rejected, inspect reviewer notes carefully, correct mismatched names, dates, or outlet URLs, then resubmit only the corrected files. One reliable troubleshooting tip: when uploads fail or appear unreadable, clear embedded metadata, rescan at 300 dpi and convert to a clean PDF. This fixes most OCR and legibility rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.